Eric, I'm in the financial services industry. Most folks around here, you would say, oh, he's that insurance guy. Honestly, it's much more than that. If it was just insurance, I would ultimately fail, because that's selling something and I'm providing a service, I'm not selling. I basically, long story short, most of my clients, and this is the reason why I want to present to you guys today, most of my clients either A, fill out a card like this. You guys maybe have seen these cards come in the mail and ask you if you want to know more about protecting your mortgage or whatnot, then I'm the person to get in contact with. This activates or generates that contact. This is what we call a lead, a paper lead. We also, and of course, since 2020, we've gone virtual, so now we have folks who receive this same card, but opt to call in and say, okay, I prefer someone to contact me, and let's do this virtually, let's do this over the phone, let's not come, the agent come to the house. So this is who I am, this is what I do. I receive a request, and I respond to the request, and I give information, I help people. First of all, I provide information concerning, is there any value in this product for you, for your family, for your loved ones? Am I able to offer you any advantage whatsoever over your current situation? Can I help you? Maybe you've been told no before. Maybe there's been a case where some life-altering incident occurrence has happened. Well, what I do, instead of like most agents, most insurance guys, that insurance man, that insurance lady, that insurance person, they have one trick, and if they can't get you in that one little thing that they offer, then you're out. They can't help you. That person is captive. That person works for one agency, and they have access to one product, and they're, as an insurance agent, we're supposed to perform our duties as a fiduciary. It's supposed to be in your concern, in your best interest, that I come out and I show you what it is that you may qualify for, and I help you go through that qualification process depending on your age, your health. That's how most of my clients are approved, or that's how we determine what products they need to be in. Once we get you approved, once we get you in a product, we protect, even for businesses, we protect business partners. So if a key person in that business, something happens to that person, the business can still move, it can still grow. You can still attract investors by your investors knowing, hey, we've got something in place here. If Tom, Dick, or Harry is no longer, this business can still move on. We can still operate. So we do offer key person policies for businesses, for commercial interests. We offer family plans. We offer plans that help you to get out of debt early. A lot of folks don't think insurance does that. Insurance is one of the biggest, it wasn't so much the money, I found that it's an opportunity to help people, and by helping people, I can get paid, I can earn a living, but at the same time, when I look back on what I've done for my clients, I feel gratification, I feel like I've done something beneficial for my clients. So, with that being said, I think I have maybe a couple more minutes in the presentation. I'm going to break insurance down and jump right quick. Most people think the insurance is okay. My papa passed away, and when he passed away, the insurance person delivered the check, and we gave it to Rebels, we gave it to Locklears, we gave it to the business to pay for his final expenses. That is the most basic fundamental performance or ability that insurance offers. Insurance actually offers way more than that. If you're in the right product at the right time with the right health situation, you can qualify for a product that could help you as like myself, a 46-year-old person. There's some products my wife and I have invested in that what those products are going to do is help us to retire, and retire with some, what is the word I'm looking for? A little bit more security. Last year we saw our 401ks do some things we did not like. It So we started moving money to other products to protect us from market volatility. And I had no idea that we could be protected from market volatility until I got inside the insurance business. We spoke of the final expense policy, which is a variable policy. It's known as, it's just that product that takes care of your final expense. That's what it's designed for. That's a whole life policy. We also have products that are basically what we would call mortgage protection. Mortgage protection is kind of a mixed bag. It depends on the individual, it depends on your financial portfolio, it depends on what it is you're trying to accomplish. And believe it or not, I have clients that are in their 20s, and I think the oldest one today is 79, and I'm helping her with mortgage protection at 79 years old. And a lot of us, why would you do that? Well, she knows exactly what she's doing. She's done something smart with what she did. She's taken advantage of what she can apply for and what she can get approved for. And what she's doing is she's still generating wealth at 79 years old and taking advantage of the lower interest. It's a win-win for her. So with that being said, we've moved from final expense to mortgage protection to this particular client who is an advanced market client. For persons below age 50, you're looking at the possibility of an indexed universal life policy as an investment vehicle, as a wealth generating vehicle. I think we've got some business school individuals in here, so you would understand what these vehicles can do. We also have, and some of you guys have asked me about this already, we have annuities. And a lot of folks, the first question they have is, I've got a 401k. Why do I need an IUL? Why do I need an annuity? Well, go look at the performance of your 401k and we will clearly see an answer. It's just, every 8 years, a 401k is going to balance itself somewhere thereabouts, and you're going to see, you're exposed. That's really what I'm saying. With 401k, you're exposed. The products that I offer are guaranteed products, so you get to participate in market gains, and you're insulated and isolated from the volatility. You don't have to worry about losing your investment. As in March 13th, I think March 13th of last year, the economy took a nosedive. A lot of us in the financial services industry, we knew this was going to happen, we just didn't know when. And a lot of us were watching the markets when this happened. Well, you've got CDs, you've got IRAs, you've got mutual funds, you've got all these different products that you can get from different companies. Your banks, your credit unions will offer you some of these products. Your employers will offer you some of these products. And not all the products are made the same. They're rated different. You got AM Best ratings to let you know who these companies are. Are they really what they claim to be? Can you depend on these companies? And in closing, this is what I'll say. I work with these final expense, mortgage protection. I also work with advanced markets, which is your IULs and your annuities. And a lot of folks wonder, well, I have a 401k. Yeah, I lost some money last March, but I've gained 15% since. Wait a minute. You lost it, then you gained it. You claimed it, you gained 15%. What you didn't count the loss, you just count the gain. So you actually didn't gain 15%. You may have gained 5 or 6 or 7, somewhere in there. With a fixed indexed annuity, you're guaranteed not to lose your money. You're not exposed to market risk. And your 7 to 10% in an annuity outperforms your 15% in your 401k any day. And a lot of folks, we don't, in communities, particularly we're in Robinson County, we're in Pembroke, and in communities such as this is not a conversation we have. This is a hard conversation. This is, I gotta trust you kind of conversation. Well, I'm not just gonna have this conversation with some guy who responded to that paper I filled out. But in Winston-Salem, in Greensboro, in the triangle and down at Cape Fear, I do this all the time.